Somebody has to know the condition of these assets and prove it. Can you? This is Twinsity, a faster, clearer way to run an inspection, from your first click to the finished report. It starts with everything in one place. Manage your workspaces, create projects, bring your customers in, and set up the observation profiles your inspections run on. Because Twinsity works the way you already do, take the form you use in the field now and replicate it here with the Observation Profile Builder. Your standards, not ours. Open a project and the model sits front and center. Click a point and the images come to you. Switch between shots of the same defect and your view holds, so the best one is just there. Then mark what you have found by point, line, or area and answer the form you just built. Your process running in Twinsity. Or let the AI do the detecting and you do the deciding. Faster and every image reviewed. Prove nothing was missed. Now bring it together. Add section views, build the report, and share it with your team and your clients. Everything a specialist needs. Nothing a client has to decode. With Twinsity, you can prove nothing was missed.